Hello everyone, my name's Eddie.
My name's Joaquin.
And I'm Rafael with Hiko. We're here because we're gonna be doing a full tune-up on a package unit for the Chevy dealer here in town. And we got all the tools. We got the coil cleaner, vacuum, why not? And I'm pretty sure this unit never been tuned up before, so let's see what we got. Let's get started.
Alright guys, so first thing we'll turn off the power. Make sure it's safe to work on it.
Let's turn off the power. Pull the disconnect off. And now we'll take all the covers off. We'll take the condenser, evaporator coil. Oh wow!
So that's a good idea to have a tune-up every 3 months. You get excess buildup like that. That's one of the bad ones we've seen.
I don't think this one has ever been cleaned before. Wow, look at that.
Wow. There's dead birds and everything in there.
It's a graveyard in there.
Actually, we got a shovel with us.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna check on the evaporator coil on the other side.
This is where the evaporator coil is. Let's see what we got. Oh man, look at those filters. This unit has never been tuned up. How's it going, Eddie?
Oh, as I'm taking all this, you gotta be careful with that. All the lines, there's a lot of stuff in there. Knock it down, we'll keep it up later.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's this right there. You can't even see through it.
Well, Eddie cleans all that up. Oh, look at that. We're gonna be spraying some evaporator coil cleaner. So we'll spray it in there, we'll let it sit. We're spraying all that, so we'll let the coil cleaner get in there. We'll let it sit, sucked in, and then we'll rinse it off with water here after a little bit. You can see all that stuff coming out on the drain. We'll clean the drain too. Having fun, yeah, Eddie?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Gotta be careful with those lines.
Oh,
They don't break those. One thing we look when we're doing tune-ups, wanna make sure that these lines are not rubbing against each other, because this could cause a big leak on the unit. We'll let all the refrigerant out, so we slowly bend them back. Just keep them away from each other. There you go.
looks like we might have to get that other panel from that side to get at that.
Yeah, we need to take that panel off so we can get by the compressor.
Wash this off. Be able to wash out with the rest of this stuff.
See, that's where all our controls are. Look at that. Very dirty. We'll clean all that. And look at that contactor. We'll check all that. See after a little bit. Make sure it's good.
Brush on that side.
Now Joaquin is getting ready to spray the condenser coil cleaner. This stuff is a lot stronger than the other stuff. That's why we only use it at the condenser.